Hi guys, it's Chantal with Wildberry Quilting. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I am still here. I have been having some different health things and some bunch of different medical kind of appointments and stuff like that. I had a spinal tap done, and after having that done, I've been having really bad headaches, and basically it's like every single day I 2 of the days I spent pretty much the entire day in bed, and then the next 2 days I was able to spend about half of the day up, and then the other half of the day I've been down for the count. And it's like the headache starts in, and I'm just it, it's bad. And like even now it's like in the back of my head, and it's they're talking about I might have to go in and get like I think it's called a blood patch or something done, and then that might help. I don't know. In any case, I will keep you guys updated. If you want more information about what's going on and a little bit more detail, when I start feeling a bit better, I might get into more detail about like what's actually, everything of what's going on, if you guys are interested. I just wanted to give you guys an update. If eh, you know I am going to try to I've got 2 more weeks left on the quilt along for the Halloween memories, and I am trying to keep up with that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be running a little bit behind these last 2 weeks, and I'm going to try to stay with it as closely as I can, but it it's going to be hard for me. I'm just going to have to work with my body and sew when I can, and I'm not going to be up for doing the story time. I just can't, but I can put some funky quilt music to the background of it, and it'll still be entertaining to watch, hopefully. um, any comments that you leave, I love hearing from you guys. I probably won't be able to read them right away. It's hard for me to really get online and do much of anything right now. The computer screen hurts my head. Just being upright hurts my head. Um, so uh, I'll read them when I can, and I might not reply to everybody, and I might not reply to most of them. I'll probably leave you a like so you know I've read it though. And I appreciate you guys being here and sticking with me. I do have a couple of videos already pre-recorded, just not edited yet. I'm going to see if my husband would mind editing those. He's going to edit this one for me too. And maybe I can get those out for you, like the Halloween uh, quilt unboxing. It's the sew sampler. I don't know. The quilt box. You know what I'm talking about. I'll see if he can edit those for me and get those out too. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.